家风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hi there, it's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin, and we're featuring another track from the TV Hakka drama Black Tide Island. This one is called Sengefi Xing, or He Left Me the Stars, brought to you by Ke Zhitang, using his gentle and emotional voice to capture the ups and downs of life, the bittersweetness in saying goodbye to people we love. He Left Me the Stars brings a sense of hope and direction for the future. It offers comfort during lonely times and helps guide us forward, perfectly reflecting the message at the heart of the song. Let's take a listen.
難白葉經驗，背流射你開葉線，歌強是年度嘅危險，發發嘅天空，足充滿撒嘅阿妹，聲音呢，半記力den soi lo sim。层層風是引導時間嘅反應，莫怪個喜烈談心心嘅基本，要拉舍離愛唔得介意愛來家門，做得了意思，期望嘅勇氣。世界係偏捨靈魂過往見來嘅多樣，冥想往山去，要你唔嫌棄嘅爭要意義，個嘅一種人卻想唔去接送過掉去，飛意心跳也可停下。
这是来自于客家电视剧《星空下的黑潮岛屿》的歌，是由柯志堂所演唱，以温柔而深刻的歌声传递出生命中的聚散离合，象征着希望与未来的依托，仿佛在孤单中提供了一丝安慰与出口，也正好呼应了这首歌想传递的主轴。Well, if you get a chance, go check out this TV Hakka drama, Black Tide Island, about a group of top medical doctors on Taiwan's outlying Green Islands during the 1950s. Thank you for listening. We'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.